Hi Expat Media, my name is Juni Sorsano
And my name is Ryan.
and we are the co-founders of
Trip
Trip Expert
Expert
International.
Meet Junie Sorsano and Ryan Ronell, the founders of Trip Expert International, a company helping people turn their travel and business goals into reality in the UAE. Junie came to Dubai in 2009 with big dreams and a lot of determination. Along the way, he became known as the UAE's first Filipino vlogger, sharing real stories and practical advice for Filipinos living abroad.
I started to fall in love talaga sa Dubai nung nakita ko yung mga opportunity na nag-o-open. Kasi dito, basta may skills ka, parang may opportunity na pwede mo siyang i-grab eh. 2009, nakita ko may mga vloggers from Hawaii, from US, ganon. Tapos sabi ko, teka, walang nagbablog sa Dubai na about sa community. So doon ako nagsimula.
Ryan's story began on his 24th birthday when he made a life-changing decision to travel to Dubai. Creative, entrepreneurial, and driven, Ryan quickly found his passion in marketing and business.
Ang ginagawa ko po before, I do graphics, creating content for the brand. Pumupunta kami sa brands, like restaurant. Before, nag-awak din kami ng travel agency.
In-offer ko yung marketing, parang social media marketing, plus yung content creation. So yun, kaya mas naging nawala ako sa vlogging talaga kasi nga mas naging busy. Parang that time, parang I started with parang 4 brands lang. Tapos dumami na siya, dumami. Nung naging 18 brands na siya, wala nang day off, hindi na makaka-attend sa mga events. So parang napagod ako sa ganong idea na parang wala siyang life balance na tinatawag. So sabi ko, I think I have to do something else. Hindi ganon, parang malaki nga pera. Pero as in talagang kinakain yung oras mo. So sabi ko, why not mag-business na lang? Kasi total may skills na kami, may knowledge na kami mag-run ng advertisement. Ako nang mag-run ng operation. Then sabi ko, why not itigil na natin lahat to? Then let's start our own business. Somehow, ang daming mga tanong ng mga kababayan, no? So, as a content creator, kahit hindi ko sa mundo, I'm doing research. Ganun na nangyayari. So, sir, gusto ko mag-business dyan. Paano ba yung ganitong visa? Bawal ba yung biniling visa? May idea na ako noon pa lang. Pero I'm not just doing it as business. So, yung naging business na talaga siya, parang inalam ko na lang talaga yung legalities. At saka, syempre, sa ang part ng business wherein mas makakatulong talaga kami sa mga clients namin.
Together, Ryan and Junie launched Trip Expert International in Dubai in 2024. Today, the company helps people set up businesses in the UAE, secure freelance and self-sponsored visas, and process tourist and student visas for destinations like the US, Canada, and Europe. They work directly with UAE free zones, ensuring every process is legal, transparent, and secure.
Ngayon, ang kagandahan is, ayan, sa tulong din niya, we are now like the official channel partner talaga ng mga free zone companies. Ang Trip International services po, ino-offer namin is yung mga interested to get their own self-sponsored visa. Ito yung para sa mga freelancers. Ayan ha, kasi dapat po yung legal. Right? And then of course, yung mga gusto mag-open ng mga businesses nila sa United Arab Emirates. And then of course, travel, may mga travel din,
Travel
ticket.
tours. And also, we help you to go to Canada, Australia, USA, and Schengen visa.
From a small office to a fast-growing company serving hundreds of clients, Junie and Ryan prove that success doesn't happen overnight, but with courage, teamwork, and purpose, dreams can become reality.
Madami kasing scams na nangyayari, lalo na sa mundo ng business na meron kami, no? So yun yung gusto namin na ma-educate yung mga Filipino, especially Filipino. Siguro better na dumalaw sila sa aming office kasi we can give them the proper guide talaga. Kasi sabi ko naman dati, as a content creator, as vlogger, hindi naman ako nagpapabayad talaga just to give them the proper advice, ano yung legal advice. So sabi ko, I have to implement that as well kahit sa business. Hindi nila kailangan pumunta sa office namin para mag-avail ng services. But if they just wanted to clear things, ano ba talaga sir ang tama? May license ba talaga na kasama o wala? Okay lang ba na visa lang? Yung mga tipong gano'n. So at least na-i-educate namin sila for free. And then, kung ano man yung magiging action na later on, ang importante, alam mo yun, yung kababayan natin, nailagay natin sa yung maayos, hindi yung, kasi marami na tayong mga kababayan na dahil nga sa mga fraud na mga visa na bibili nila, natatrap sila sa ganong sitwasyon na nag-overstay na lang sila na nag-overstay because wala na silang magagawa dahil hindi nakaka-cancel yung ganito, wala na yung kasama nilang ganyan, or mali yung visa na nakuha nila, hindi sila nakaka-uwi. And I don't want that to happen kasi alam ko yung ganong feeling eh. And that's the reason why as much as possible sana yung ma-educate sila ng tama. Pero dapat alam nila kung ano yung legal at saka yung hindi. Parang yun yung tulong na gusto namin i-share sa community with having itong business na to.
Read Junie and Ryan's inspiring stories on expatmedia.net and in the Expat Media Special Edition magazine.